Skywalk Entertainment presents The Chronicles of Ushbebe Live in Warri, Yadadi 23.
Oh my God, we don't shout it. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. DJ, support play music, but no wala. This is my time. Baba, for this time now, the way the country be now, don't let anybody just deceive you. That they tell us, say, good name is better than riches. Good name is better than riches. Now this country, good name and riches contest for presidency. Riches win good name. This is the first time in this country where the president came into power with a power bank. Every year just add, don't allow anybody pressure you. Last week, now my papa called me, say, want to buy something of 100,000. Say, get only 50,000. I send her 2 odd, over 2.5. The game die. Sporty bet, everything you had. Sporty bet now don't have past bricklayer work. This country now balance. When I notice since when they increase the price of fuel and diesel, all the churches where they close 3 p.m., all of them don't they close 10 a.m. for money. Last week Sunday, our choir master just opened and said, we have 2 songs to render to the glory of God. Pastor said, hey, render only 1. Now 1 liter will buy. This country not tough. Country just they do. Nobody like anybody for this country. Are they Ekpan? Now they rob me. I call Ekpan police station. I said, officer, they just rob me. He said, where? I said, under Ekpan bridge. He said, idiot, why you not pass up? Don't let anybody stressing for this country. Last week now, our church empower prayer warrior with poultry. Prayer warrior go charge you for the poultry. Make them not thief if I will. Country will not balance. Don't let anybody pressure you. This country, that's what I'm not trying to understand women. This guy come, they come talk about women. You don't know my wife. Women just stress their husband anyhow. Woman go just they check husband phone. What madam, what are they find for the phone? That's what my wife did. They go check my phone. See text message where my sugar mom is sent for me. Say, baby, I just send you 500,000. Please manage 400,000 and give the balance 100,000 to your jobless wife. Now my wife pick phone. I call the woman. Say, mommy, mingo. Baba, if you want to shit on your wife, shit on her with woman where you get money. Now they go, they do raka. Not be all those they hear widow. Not try a widow. That's why one day I go, one widow, one day friend for 2 road. I go a place, go spend night. Before I wake up for morning, picking where my shoe come out. I call the first for the woman. I say, mother, why you're picking the BM like this? Say, no, take it easy. It's like a stepson to you. When the pikin even come back, I not pitch out for the boy because the pikin senior me. I said this relationship no go work. I can't tell him, I said no, I'm no longer interested. I say, hey, no, Douglas, please, don't hurt my feelings. I'm like a mother to you. About this country, don't let anybody pressure you. My daughter, just 6 months old, 6 months old. My wife just they pressure me, say, put this pikin for school. I said she never reach anywhere. My wife they pressure me, out of pressure. September last year, I put my daughter for school. January this year, she was going back to school. I called to tell my wife, I said, thank God, oh, like this now my daughter is going to KG1. My wife said, which kind KG1? I never even think of pre-KG, I did think of KG1. I said, sure, which class my daughter did? Say my daughter did for play group. I said, eh? Are they pay school fees for play? What did shock me now when my wife come one day said they increased the school fees? I said, why? They had new play for the school. I said, new play what they have for the school, may they remove her. If my daughter come back from school, me and I go play the play. More, I said, no, because you are a comedian, you they take everything they do joke. I said, this will not be joke, my wife. I said, this thing must reach family compound. As I first, now say, I go report my wife, give a header brother. I reach my wife, header brother place. I meet my wife, header brother, they cry. I said, Pros, what's the matter? He said, can you imagine? Pikin when they pay 250,000 for play class group, they said the pikin fail. Say, make the pikin repeat. I go say, what the apple? They said the pikin not play like the way other children play last time. Now I say, bros, it's like your daughter will come and join my daughter. Because as I'm talking to you now, my daughter is a school dropout. No problem for nothing. This comedian called, they can't talk about cheating. You know what is cheating? Baba, if your wife is a prayer warrior, you cannot cheat. You are in trouble. My uncle go marry prayer warrior. Last week, now my uncle tell me, I say, baby, I'm traveling to Abuja for a business meeting. Now wife look at 2 a.m. for midnight. Now the wife stand there. Now she start to pray. My father, my maker. My husband said he's going to Abuja for a business meeting tomorrow. Father, this is me. I enter into Abuja in the realm of the spirit. Father, I'm in Abuja right now. My husband said he will sleep at Transcorp. Father, I walk into Transcorp. I meet the receptionist. I take the key. I open this door. Lord, I lay my hands on this bed. Apart from my husband, whosoever that will sleep alongside with my husband, what are you waiting for? Catch fire and die. Oh Lord, just in case my husband wants to change room, I use this bed and this hotel as a point of contact to reach out the hotel in Abuja. What are you waiting for? Be roasted to ashes. As my uncle wake up for Monday, he said they don't cancel the trip. Women, powerful people. Nice of men, you will see you want small boy, say, why you never married? Say, no, I want to study this woman. My brother, quiet, you are a moron. There's no way on earth you can study a woman. How can you study somebody that was created while you were sleeping? If you like that woman for 20 years, all in the name that I want to study her. After 20 years of study, marry the woman. When you go tell no say you not study your wife and one at the quarry, you call it Papa Jiro, you never really know me. Never really know you married for this asshole. Now today you go no say, now Python, now you married for this asshole. My neighbor every time, Python. Now call her one day, so okay, women full everywhere. Why you go forest, go marry? Say my brother in a church, I say this one. One day my man come and ask, he called the year that they quarrel. He said, Douglas, go settle there. I said, Mama, leave them more. And so that they quarrel. He said, no, you are a Christian. Are we all labels? I said, Mama, go wear t-shirt. Where they go wear t-shirt? My man go overhead to man the child. Papa Jiro, you never really know me. Never really know you married for this asshole. Now today you gonna say, now Python. The man say, if you be Python, I go tell you, say, I be tiger. I go tear you to pieces. As I go, now my man say, my pikin sit that day. Now 2 animals kingdom, they quarrel. Papa, marriage not easy. Marriage be like courts. Nobody they tell you what you go say until you enter. And I say, man, if you want to live long. Recently, I did a research. I discovered that the rate when married men they die, leave their wife. Now like 95%. I can't think what did they cost her? When I see what did they cost her, my shock. Very small thing. That name, I am the head of the house. Astrid go come, head of the house, take care of Astrid. Like me, everything head of the house. Now come my wife. I said, baby, you see, in this house, there's no head. You are the head, I am the head. Now me and my wife, they run our house like democracy every 2 years. Like this year, now my wife be the head. Now she they pay Astrid, they pay school fees, they pay everything. Why me and they buy the children, they go market, they carry them, they go school. So that as they walk, they hold. My wife, they walk, they hold, follow me. As I they hold, follow me. Once I die, you know go to say, my wife go die. Come on. No, be after I don't claim it. I can't die, leave money for ground. That time my wife go call, they travel to Paris for shopping. They go to buy. That time now this weekend, their old boys will call and say, widow the sweet. I die with my wife. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you very much. My name is Douglas. Good night.
Skybrook Entertainment presents The Chronicles of Ushbebe Live in Warri, Yadadi 23.
Oh my God, we don't show